Yeah, that's probably the best way to do it because you're using the person as the location, right? So it's like if you look at it as a memory palace, the person is the location. So whatever associations come out of that, you're starting to remember. So whatever ailments, whatever illness, whatever problems they have, you'll be able to recall it just by looking at the person that you're visualizing or the part of the body or the face or whatever it is, right? So it's a really good approach. It's a lot more effective than just writing down everything, because writing down everything, you got the information there, but are you processing it? Are you understanding it? Are you learning it? You still have to look back at the notes, don't you? So there's a disconnect there. But if you're just doing it straight away on the person, it's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's like, those dot to dot exercises where it draws a picture. I don't know if you ever did them as a child. What would happen is it's like a picture that's got most of the dots, but you can just see the picture. So like, oh yeah, that connects to that connects to that. So that's how memory works. We're not expected to memorize everything, but if we can see what the picture is, and we've already established connections just by visualization and the stories, we can see what's going on and go, oh yeah, that's connected to that, and so on. And that improves our understanding as well, hence improving comprehension, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, really powerful way, definitely.